Harley Davidson Softail Misfire refers to when the Harley Softail's engine runs but fails to ignite the fuel correctly. In other words, it's when the engine undergoes failure of ignition in one or more cylinders. This video is going to detail the causes to why a Harley Softail misses or misfires. Keep in mind that the information in this video pertains to carburetor models only, regardless of the year it was manufactured. Before we cover the different reasons why the Harley Softail misses, I strongly recommend you download the factory repair manual before attempting to perform any repair or maintenance to your motorcycle. The downloadable Softail repair manual will show you how to fix everything we discuss here. In fact, it contains the same repair information dealer technicians and shop mechanics use to fix, overhaul, maintain, and troubleshoot your motorcycle. To download a repair manual instantly, you can go to 911manual.com. So for example, you can just go to the website, click on where it says motorcycle manuals, and you can download a Harley repair manual instantly. Okay, so there are 15 reasons why your engine misses. It could be fouled or improperly gapped spark plugs, incorrect ignition timing, improper carburetor main jet selection, faulty ignition components, damaged spark plug cables, obstructed fuel filter, clogged carburetor jets, battery nearly discharged, loose battery connection, short circuit due to damaged wiring or insulation, water or contaminants in the fuel, weak or damaged valve springs, damaged valve or valves, dirty electrical connections, or faulty vacuum operated electric switch. Anyway, these are the main reasons why the Harley Softail misses. I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to download the repair manual, as you should never work on your motorcycle without a repair manual handy. Plus, the repair manual will show you how to fix your vehicle and everything we discussed here today.